Now I'll show you how to prepare the tub. Use the cleaning cloth to clean the shower tray to ensure it is free of grease and clogging. Use the butyl strip to stick the corner filler piece to the tub. Select corner extension type. For acrylic bathtubs, use right-hand corner piece without inner radius. Stick the tub sealing tape to the shower tray and the corner filler piece. Apply the surface protection tape. Attach the shower tray with the tray sealing tape to the primed wall. To fully adhere the tub sealing tape to the wall, the trowel must be moved upward at a 90-degree angle when adhering. If the wall is uneven, the surface protection tape can be used as a leveling tape. Attach the black protective fleece to the surface protection tape. In no case use a painter's fleece.